Hello everyone, today we'll be destroying the Samsung washing machine. Oops, gonna dig one up. Well, right then, anyway, we'll be destroying the Samsung washing machine. Pink old Samsung and one that I never use. Even though I wanted to use it, but I haven't had a chance of it being used. So we have my Samsung washing machine outside. And today is its final day because I think it needs destruction as it doesn't work as well anymore. So yeah, are you ready? Let's go. Here we go. It's not connected. Just doesn't connect to speed control. So yeah, I have to. We got to go spin now. I'm gonna wind up for. Oops. Ooh. Ready? 3, 2. Oh. No brick. Always fine. Right. But and it. There you go. Ooh, that was good. That first attempt, taking out its own. It's taking the motherboard out. As you can see, it's top panel's flew off. The motherboard stayed on. Yeah, we'll try again. Samsung Galaxy Supernova, I think. Oh, won't even stop spinning. There we go. I'll try and start with the waiting. Right. I have to have some more remote into. Oh! Whoa! But that just fell. Apart. See bits of the machine is coming off it also. Not fully destroyed yet. I think that might be it for this Samsung washing machine. The way it's going, because yeah, that's right. This Samsung's surviving. Unlike any other machines, this one's surviving. We'll try one more time, so. Whoa, there goes the oh, what have I done? 4/10, I think. Well, 4/10. think that might be it with Samsung. Gone. Wherever. Well, one more attempt though, so. Yeah. What have I done? Just smashed them. Alright, I think that might be the final attempt because apparently this Samsung washing machine, as you can see, it's like lit up like a Christmas tree and I can't do anything else with it. Except for throwing it in the tip. Yeah. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Blast off the last Samsung destruction last thing in 3, 2, 1. Go. That's it, I think. Fully gone. Gone for its found. That's now the aftermath. So yeah, it's aftermath. So, there's the aftermath. The machine. They didn't fit on the sides, I guess. Yeah. They tend to flip on their sides. This one did as well. Last one, we're saving it to last. So, as you can see, the top panel is moving around. It's the aftermath on the Samsung Supernova washing machine. It's damaged completely. Top panel's missing. There it is. Front panel, control board, side. That's it. Left side's damaged, right side's damaged. You see the back panel is. As you can see, it's also damaged as well. It's the top flight was okay. I moved it out the way. It was, I don't know why it was outside. Maybe I bring it out for nothing. I might burn the wrong machine out. Good job I haven't destroyed it. So yeah, Samsung for the win. And that's it now. And that's it for the Samsung, guys. And see you later. Bye.